Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Airdrie local and long distance movers near me. If you're searching for a cheap Airdrie moving company, 3 Movers is the right choice. We offer the trustworthy service you need backed by a stellar reputation. Our team knows how to get you moved faster, whether it's a local or long distance move. We have helped many people with a variety of moving services, including both residential and commercial services. You get the best long-distance moving services when you hire us with options such as packing services, moving supplies, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options when you need to relocate, but we make the process so much easier. Our team of movers will take your long-distance move and make it less stressful for you, no matter how far you need to go. With the help of a Canada moving company, you get the local move you desire. It's a lot of work to relocate, even if you're just going a few miles up the street. You can let a professional moving team handle all that hard work. 3 Movers will take care of everything for you. We will streamline the process to save you time and energy on your local move. Our team is ready to go to work for you and make your 3-day move happen in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Airdrie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.